Hi YouTube, it's on a lot journey. Today I'm going to be getting ready to go to work and I'm not going to retwist my hair for at least another week, and so I'm going to be doing a style that I only do maybe once or twice a year, but I thought I'd come in here and record it while I do it. But I'm going to pull my hair back and gel it down and do a low ponytail. So this is a low tension hairstyle that doesn't require me to retighten my locks, and it's a good way to just rest my locks from the styling and manipulation I've been doing for the last few weeks. This is generally what my hair looks like when I don't retwist, so that you guys get a realistic view of my hair texture. I am 4C all the way, and you can see my natural curls are popping. I went in and shampooed last night. I used a clarifying shampoo and then I used a moisturizing shampoo. Of course, I diluted them heavily with about 4 to 10 times water to the volume of shampoo in a bottle, like I mentioned in a previous video. I'm only going to use 4 things: water, gel, a scarf, and a hair tie in order to achieve a slicked back ponytail. So the first thing I'm seeing doing here is just moisturizing my roots, making sure that they're damp. I'm not putting them to be soaking wet, but once I have my hair moisturized such that I can begin to manipulate it, I begin smoothing back my edges and really exposing all of my new growth. So I'm slicking my hair back. I'm not doing it too tight, but I'm just rubbing my hands against it over and over again and pulling it back towards my hair tie, which I am now using to pull my locks back into a ponytail. So this hair tie is just keeping my hair in place. I'm not going to wrap it around twice. It's just loosely holding my locks into the ponytail style. Once I get all my locks into the hair tie, I slick my hair back again, incorporating all of the locks into the hair tie, just to make sure that everything is in place and it's neat in a way that looks good to me. The next step is applying the gel to the new growth. I'm using 100% aloe vera gel here. I like aloe vera gel because the hold isn't very strong and it rinses off pretty well in applying water later on, and I like that it's a natural product, so it kind of works as a conditioner as well as a gel that holds my hair in place. I apply the aloe vera gel around the edges as well as onto the top of my hair and use it to smooth my hair back. This next step is optional, but I like to use a soft bristle brush to just go in and incorporate all my loose hair into the slick down style. And finally, I take my silk scarf, the same scarf I sleep with my hair under at night, and I use it to just tie my hair down. I like to let my hair sit for 10 to 15 minutes if I'm on the way to work, but this actually works best if you give it a longer amount of time to sit under there and really just like dry in place, kind of like when you're doing a retwist. I don't have much time today as I decided to do this right before I went to work, so 10 minutes it is. Alright folks, so I spent a little bit more time getting ready for work. All I've done is put my glasses on and slap on a little bit of lip gloss. I put on my shoes and my Sankofa earrings, and this is the final result. So I rewrapped from the last time I was filming, and I went under the ponytail to get it tighter on my head, and so here is what it looks like. I only gave it about 10 minutes. What it looks like from the front, and here's a view from the back. So if you actually wrap this up for 15 minutes to half an hour, it'd be a little bit tighter, but here's the final look with no retwist. And this is how I'm going to work today. So I've reached 150 subscribers. Thank you. That's a lot of people to talk to at once. Even if all of you aren't always watching, it's just interesting to know that 150 people found my content useful or inspiring or maybe even annoying enough to hit that subscribe button. But if you haven't joined the gang yet, this might be a good time for you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been interacting on the comments under my videos. It means a lot to know that there are other folks rooting me on. I've talked about this in the comments before, but I have been experiencing a lot of breakage due to color damage, interlocking, just treating my locks very harshly, and so it's motivational to know that there's a community of people with locks on here and that we can learn and grow together as our hair grows. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel if you've been here before. Thank you for stumbling upon my channel if this is the first time you're here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this content. And thank you all so much for being a part of the gang.